Damn it, Adrian. Didn't need to come to this. I don't know. You left me no choice. I know my leadership style can be stern.
Yeah.
I see you got the extra whipped cream in there, huh?
Yeah.
Yummers. Guess you wanted to cram in as much fat fuck as possible, huh? But it was for your own good. I like to think of myself as the big brother that you never had.
It's all bien, baby bro. Got some ribeyes in the fridge.
You remember that girlfriend you had? Pop Fang. Betrayed us both to William Butcher, no less. Huge mess, your fault. What did I do? What did I do? I gave you a chance to make things right. I reached out my hand.
There's something wrong?
You think I haven't seen you? Shoving back 24 cupcakes in the break room. 9 servings on Miro's truffle risotto night.
I need 30,000 calories a day.
Maybe when you actually ran, you did. But now you're just eating your feelings and making us look ridiculous. Fastest man alive, what a fucking joke. And you bit it. What did I ever do to deserve that? What, was I too nurturing? Blow A train.
What?
I'm not kidding. Go over there, pull out A-Train's cock, and blow him. Too forgiving? Well, maybe.
Happy birthday, Homelander.
Thank you.
I can see your girdle, you disgusting fat fuck. Get off the fucking stage.
But damn it, you weren't like the others. Hey, Train. Just stay there and rest those useless fucking legs. Snakes. Backstabbers. I could count on you, man. I did count on you. I loved you. What did you say to me?
I'm sorry. Shit. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it.
Say it.
I'm sorry.
Say it!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
But here we are. Why does this keep happening to me?